Eyedropper and Color Sampler Tools. This is the eyedropper tool, and it enables us to sample or select a color for fore or background from an image, or from anywhere on the work area. This is the function of the eyedropper tool, and you can access it by hitting the I key as a shortcut. Now select the tool from the toolbar, and let's sample a color by clicking on this image. An important note for you here: as you pick a color from the image, the foreground color has been replaced by the new selected color, and you should see it. Then you can click and drag the cursor so that you're able to view the change in the foreground color. Now you'll move on to the options of this tool. Here you can choose the sample size option, for example, which defines the range from where you need the eyedropper to pick a color. According to the selected options, the eyedropper tool works. When you click on Sample Size, you get its options, and from these you can select any of the others. Then you can select the Sample option, such as Current Layers, or All Layers, but it samples according to the selected option. Next up is the Color Sampler tool. This is a hidden tool in the eyedropper tool, and it helps us to sample a color from a particular area. You can have more than one color sample using this tool. Here you can select the tool and you can make 4 different color samples by a single click over the desired colors. Just click on the different areas of the image for 4 times to define the samples. Now, 4 color samples are created, and the color information of each sample is displayed in this info palette. When you move the cursor to any of the sample, you're able to view its color information in this palette. Please note, you cannot create more than 4 samples, but you can move the sample points. Let's just simply click on the sample and drag it. And as you drag, you can see the change of color information in the info palette. This tool also has similar options to the eyedropper tool. The clear option will delete the entire color sample being made in the image. Now, try and observe it by selecting the option Yes. It deletes the sample, and if you want to get those samples again in the image, press Ctrl and Z simultaneously on the keyboard. There you go. You've got your samples right back again using this option. Hence, you can pick a color and sample it in an image quite easily using the eyedropper and color sampler tools.